Hey guys, Alex with Bay Cities Construction here. Hey, I want to share with you a project we just finished here in the South Bay. It's a beautiful kitchen remodel. We really kind of remodeled the whole front of the house, removed some walls, made the space bigger, and it came out beautiful. They have it all staged with their new furniture. The family's in there living in it, and I think you're going to love it. We love it too. So let's go check it out. We're inside this beautiful kitchen. Let me walk you through all the features. So these doors are thermofoil. You got hard, nice, updated black hardware. Really good storage. Lots of shelves inside to adjust. These folks elected to have the hidden appliance garage here. The idea, right, is that you have a nice clean surface without a bunch of clutter. So that's exactly what we got. We got some really nice organizers. Pots and pans. So you can see it's quite a bit of efficient storage you can get to. All the cubbies have little inserts. Check this one. Got your dry stuff there, a little spice there, mostly for baking. And a little cubby. Some other stuff. That's kind of cool. Do you like spice? Watch this. That's one of the advantages of having shallow drawers is you can really organize your stuff really well. Different compartments, you know, these all adjust so you can move them around to your needs. Ripening, to ripen your potatoes and fruits and stuff. Avocados, great spot to put your avocados. So let's go over to the sink and show you some of the features. Faucet. These black faucets are actually a trend that started late 2021, and it's definitely going to go strong through 2022. We actually put a video together about construction trends in 2022, so you should check that out. We'll put them in the link below. Now let's look at this beautiful island countertops. This is a quartzite, so this is a natural stone. Now take a look at this. Look at how we wrapped the green in the stone so that it folds over. This is a mitered compound edge. Super tip top, looks real nice. Now where I'm standing, this is actually the wall of the previous kitchen. We took out two walls and we reinforced the house because there was a component of lateral by removing the wall. So we want to make sure the house would perform well in the event it got hit by an earthquake. So we put a Simpson strong wall in there. So in here, it's hidden in here, but we were able to put the infrastructure here for the electrical switches. But in here, there's a Simpson panel wall that gives this lateral strength this way. There's a few huge beams in here. One going this way, one going that way. So I think there's 3 total. That's how we got the ceilings to look all the same height. Creating an open space is to not be able to see where the old and the new meet, right? So there was a series of those walls and kind of small header beams in here. When we removed all of that, we replaced them with PSLs, and we tied everything together on the inside and the attic side. So there's no bumps in the ceiling, it's just a smooth look. And that's how we hit it. There was actually a step down here that was kind of a trip hazard because it was kind of weird coming out of the kitchen. So we got rid of all of that. We infilled this. For the laundry room, we fixed, there was a bunch of Mickey Mouse stuff in that wall. We fixed all that. and we actually switched the door over. So the door used to slide left to right. Now we moved this, so now you have a cool little walkway here. So you have a nice clean path. Come up here, open her up, and you're good to go. Leads out to the backyard. So this used to be, right here, was a huge fireplace. If you're contemplating removing a fireplace, do it. You get a lot more square footage, you increase the functionality of the room, and I think ultimately it frees you up to rearrange how you're going to set up all your furniture by getting rid of it. Once we got all the beams out, we rearranged the pattern of the lights so that it looked, you bring the room together, right, by the pattern of the lights. So that gave us the freedom to do that. It also gave them the freedom of putting the couch here and the dining room table there. And also there's a little cubby area there for the kids to store their toys, and a little play area while their parents are cooking. So it actually worked out really good. So what we have here is SPC flooring. We reframed the floor so it's all the same level, and then we had to level out the floor and put lightweight concrete on here so that the floor laid out nice and even. So the flooring in this entire room and into the hallway is all the same. And it brings, again, we're trying to bring, once you open the space, you want to bring everything together so it looks like one continuous look, one continuous space. And we're able to do it. This is super durable flooring. It's good for kids, pets, something that's going to look good for a long time to come. So let's talk about the cabinets a little bit more. This thermofill door is basically a composite door. And you can see you get that cool shaker look, but it's a very durable, it's not paint. So whatever kind of grime you get on the door from your hands touching it is easily cleanable. So it's actually also at a pretty good price point. This kitchen's really big. It has a lot of storage, so it is a good option, especially if you have little kids. You know, you need a lot of storage, you're gonna need a lot of cabinets, and you want it to be durable. And it comes colored too. These right here are thermofoil also, and they're painted. The insides are plywood inside the boxes. And of course you can get an insert for just about anything. A little bit taller and stuff. And really, I think one of the tips I can give you is think about how you want to store things and what you want to store in which location, so that we can figure out what the best operation is for that cabinet, how deep it should be, and stuff like that. This is kind of a super functional double bay sink. It's a farmhouse sink, so if you like that look, but this is a composite sink. And it has a low divider, so you can put stuff relatively flat in here. There's a little protector for the bottom. Actually, there's one on your side. Pretty neat little setup. This kitchen is really meant for a family to live in and to look good for a long time. And ultimately, now that the rooms are all connected, it's a great space for entertaining and having folks over and really enjoying your house as a home. So folks, this is the beautiful kitchen here in Torrance. Let me know if you like it. I'd like to hear what your comments are. My name's Alex, Bay Cities Construction. Minding you don't need a contractor, you need a team of pros. Hey folks, thanks for checking out this video. Hope you liked it as much as we do. If you want to watch more of our content, more educational videos on how we do these projects, and also progress videos on some of the projects we're working on, please don't forget to comment, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the little button below, and you'll be notified when we post the next video. My name is Alex with Bay Cities Construction. Minding you don't need a contractor, you need a team of pros.